On the last episode, Kaiden had so much fun having lunch with the orcas and trying to get splashed. But on today's episode of Go Kaiden Go, he's going to see the rest of the animals and shows at SeaWorld. But will he finally get splashed?
Go Kaiden Go! The different animals.
Let's see all the animals!
Yeah!
What should we see first?
See the penguins!
Penguins are one of Kaiden's favorites.
Oh, these are so cute.
Where did Kaiden go?
We didn't crab yet.
Aw, look.
Okay.
Kaiden's a baby penguin.
We got a baby Kaiden.
Why is it so dark in here?
Whoa.
Oh, baby, it's cold.
Oh, look it. I think it's because right now it would be dark where they live.
In Antarctica, it's dark during our summer.
Look at the little puffins.
We love puffins.
Oh, baby.
What creepy animal did Kaiden find?
It's bigger. We'll hit more.
It's an eel.
Oh, there's another huge one.
They're kind of scary.
No, thank you.
Kaiden wants to see something a little nicer.
They're kissing on you.
Aw, some fish want to kiss on Kaiden's hand.
Swarm.
You know the dad hands
They certainly like Dad. Looks like there's more animals to pet. I wonder what they are. Kaiden's gonna find out. What is it?
Gentle, one finger. Good job.
It's a leopard shark. Kaiden likes sharks, so he wants to see more. But is there an even scarier animal he'll see later?
That's called a white-tip reef shark.
Why?
Because you see on its fin, they have little color squares or triangles on the top of their fin.
It's got a white tip on its
They're
fin.
small sharks, but they're feisty.
Just like Kaiden. Look at all those teeth.
Yeah, no wheel. Did we can?
Go underwater.
Are we going underwater?
We're swimming.
I'm
That's the bubbles going down.
Kaiden's pretending to be an octopus. But what's up ahead?
Look up.
There were sharks everywhere.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's a little black-tip reef shark.
Almost like the white tips.
black on it.
We got a nerf shark right here. A zebra shark.
Oh,
Hi, baby.
Seeing the sharks underwater was so cool. Kaiden liked being
You
underwater
want to actually swim underwater with the sharks?
and wanted to find more. What is that?
Whoa, what is...
Sweet, another tunnel.
Go.
Okay.
No, be brave. I'll be right at the other end.
What scary animal's in there?
Oh, Kaiden. Hey,
Kaiden's underwater again.
I see you. Fish.
Are you swimming?
Kaiden was pretending to hold his breath and swim with the fishes.
Good job, dude.
But what was in the tanks with him?
This crab gets
There were giant crabs in there?
from claw to claw. That's like this big.
They could get huge.
That'd be huge.
It's time to get out of here. Kaiden will see other sea monsters later. What's in here?
I see. Now you see it.
Whoa.
Sea lions.
Hello, little bird.
And what are these birds doing? He looks hungry. Let's try to feed him.
You want to throw him some fishies, Kaiden?
We got some fish for Kaiden to throw the sea lions.
Give me that here, buddy.
Kaiden, throw it down to him.
Whoa, those birds are trying to steal his fish. Let's try again.
Give me.
Wait for him. Wait for him. Right here.
Right
Watch out for the bird. Oh no! Sea lions are a type of pinniped, and there are 32.
So many seals and sea lions.
Kaiden wanted to learn more, so we went to a show. Hey, that's not a sea lion, but he's got some good dance moves.
Yeah. It's electrifying.
Whoa, a sea lion! He must be going to get his trainer to start the show. Who's Clyde? Whoa, what was that? There he is. This sea lion could act like different animals, like a seal and a shark. The sea lions were silly, and they would play follow the leader with their trainers. Kaiden likes follow the leader. Seals were also really good swimmers and can swim from 13 to 20 miles an hour. What will Kaiden see later that can swim even faster? Kaiden wanted one.
I want to have the sea lion
Yeah.
to play with me.
I don't know where we would keep it.
And give me some food.
Would have to get plenty of fish to feed him.
Whoa.
It did look like a lot of fun. They would dance with you.
There it is.
and splash you. That's all Kaiden wanted. That was a lot of fun, but it was time to say goodbye. Well, what show should we go to now? Are those pirates? He just pushed him in the water. What are they doing? Uh-oh, the guards are coming to get the pirates. But the pirates had a disguise.
Look at the king and queen right there, Kaiden.
The king and queen were coming.
Kaiden, a beautiful princess.
And a princess?
We pledge to continue to fulfill our family's duty.
Is that a mermaid?
Thank you for such a lovely welcome.
Oh, look, Kaiden, do you see the mermaid in the sky?
There was another mermaid.
It's a wheel.
Yeah, it's a real mermaid.
It's a wheel.
It is a real mermaid.
A real mermaid? Oh no, the pirates were attacking. What did they want? They weren't animals, but we got splashed. But will something splash them later? Is that a pirate ship? The dreaded pirate Blackheart was trying to steal the jewel of the ocean from the mermaids so he could control the 7 seas. Although the kingdom fought back, Blackheart stole the jewel of the ocean and became the lord of the seas. He could fly over the water with his special boots and dive like a dolphin. How are they gonna defeat him? The princess stole back the jewel and defeated Blackheart. Kaiden was brave and protected his Oma from loud noises.
What's on fire, kid?
It looks like the pirates were defeated and the kingdom was once again whole.
Where the web happened?
Even though the captain was a bad guy, Kaiden wanted to see more of him. And there he was!
I want to do that too.
Sounds like Mom really wants to try out that flyboard.
I feel it turning hard.
Kaiden's mad that the pirate splashed him and not the whale.
It was hot. Was Kaiden ever gonna get splashed?
Let's go see the dolphin show.
We had one more chance.
He was ready for that.
What's over there?
I can't see.
What's over the walls?
The pilot whale.
Oh, the pilot whale in
I
there.
hope we get to meet them. They had a sing-along for us while we waited.
Wow, you're so cute dancing.
What else was Kaiden gonna see that liked to dance? We all eagerly awaited the start of the final
I
show.
think I saw dolphins in there. I think I saw whales in there. I think I saw whales in there. Oh, I see whales. And I see dolphins.
Yeah, they're in there.
I see.
The show was beginning.
Look, here
Here they come.
There were so many dolphins, and they were waving to Kaiden.
See whales.
Another kid got to meet one.
Hello, Captain.
Her name was Captain.
The dolphins.
She sounded so cute. What was she gonna do now? She splashed the kid.
They will go get me.
But was Kaiden ever gonna get splashed?
Oh my God! Mommy's still getting wet.
Kaiden finally got his splashes.
He got my leg. Got her leg.
We got perfect.
We didn't know wet.
He told you that they were going to splash you.
Are they good?
He had to check on his toys though. The Dolphins put on quite a show.
So hard. They do booty shaking. They like to dance.
After they were done, they said bye to Kaiden because they had so much fun.
Did they go do the waving?
But we weren't done
Here
yet.
they come. The pilot whales. Here they come, get it.
The pilot whales would dance,
Hey, Dad.
and so would Kaiden. Kaiden was prepared to get splashed again.
They're not splashing you.
Are they gonna splash Kaiden?
I'll tell you when the splash is coming.
The pilot whales were so fast, and they could also jump high like dolphins. They were even super silly, swimming on their back and spitting out water. And oh no, they splashed us too! Kaiden was so excited, but it was time to go. Thanks, pilot whale.
Yay! Give them a round of applause!
They got you wet because they love you.
The Dolphins came out one last time to say goodbye, and Kaiden was so happy. He had so much fun seeing all the animals and shows at SeaWorld, and finally got splashed.
Venus among Go Kaiden Go.
On the next episode of Go Kaiden Go, we're going to build a pool in our front yard and teach our baby ducks to swim.
Go Kaiden Go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.